if you have sensitive skin naman and you're looking for a low pH na toner na okay for those na merong acne and congested skin, I can highly recommend this COSRX AHA BHA Clarifying Toner. So, ang retail price nito ay nasa mga around 510 ang 100 ml. This is made in Korea, guys. Dermatologically tested, fragrance-free, and best for all skin types. So, I discovered this toner, guys, way back 2016, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi, after kong mga nakaivash, ang dami ko talagang tigyawat, mga kapatids. And during that time, hindi pa ako nagdadayan 35, hindi pa ako nag-start na mag-maxipil. As in, I'm new to skincare and nanood ako ng mga skincare videos kung ano yung mga skincare products na pwede kong gamitin to address my pimples na grabe, ang lalaki talaga, mga kapatids. And kadagay ng buto na, ng gawas na ang mga nana. As in, luod kayo siya tanaw, mga kapatids. And isa to sa mga nakikita ko na reliable nga daw na toner. Ito na yung why it stood out, ha. So first, this has low pH, guys. So if your skin is already irritated, dili niya ma-irritate og samot, okay? You can also use this one both AM and PM kay ang formulation ng product na to, yes, meron po siyang AHA and BHA, but the formula is very mild, guys. Friendly if you are still new to acids and can be used by adults and teenagers. And if you're like me before na yung pimples, nagnanana, and kadagay ng buto na ang uban, guys, don't worry kasi meron po itong key ingredients na willow bark. This is a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory. Another positive thing, guys, about this toner na napansin ko, kasi diba meron mga ibang toners that contains AHA and BHA na kapag nag-absorb na sa skin, medyo drying siya, mga kapatids. Pero ito, hydrating kasi meron itong mga key ingredients, guys, na nakakatulong to hydrate skin such as apple water extract. Lastly, guys, dili siya makakos og purging, okay? So, napaka-perfect if you have acne na, kay dili siya mangdaghan og samot, hindi siya kabalo mag-multiply, okay? And this is also great if your skin is congested. Makatabang siya na mag-prevent or kana maka-address kung nanajud kay blackheads or whiteheads.